My country people, how una dey? Today I bring una tori from obodo oyinbo New York for America. Na few days ago dem hold di 75th edition of annual Tony Awards. Di venue na Radio City Music Hall for New York. Na there two of late Michael Jackson pikin, Paris Jackson and im brother Prince Jackson take style remember their papa for im impact in world music when im dey alive. As Prince waka enter stage, im tell di audience say e believe wetin many pipo tok say na im papa change pop music forever. As di boy dey yarn dey go, e say im papa dey enjoy music inside film and on stage. Dem nominate di show for 10 Tony Awards wey come include Best Musical. Myles Frost na 22-year-old boy wey dem nominate for di leading role wey im play for di film wey dem title Tender Hug. As di show dey go, Paris and Prince introduce Myles wey wear di kain cloth wey Michael Jackson take do im popular hit song Dangerous. Na so three of dem, Paris, Prince and Myles, come tanda in front of camera take picture with one American actor Atwin Upper. Dem take dis year award celebrate di achievement wey shele between 2021 and 2022. Now, make we yarn small about di late music legend. Michael Jackson na person wey get plenty talent to sing and entertain im audience. Dem born am for August 29, 1958 inside Jackson's family for Indiana in United States. Im start to dey sing at di age of 5. Im papa, Joseph Jackson, sabi play guitar wella, while im mama, Catherine Jackson, na Jehovah's Witness. Di first solo wey Michael do in 1971 enter number 4 for US Billboard and di title na Got to Be There. In other hit songs include Billie Jean, Beat It, They Don't Care About Us, Bad, Earth Song, Wanna Be Starting Something, Heal the World, Thriller, among others. June 25, 2009 na di day wey no sweet belle at all, when di whole world hear say Michael Jackson don kpai for im house at Los Angeles for California. Wetin cause di death? According to di tori wey we hear, dem say na im doctor Conrad Murray give am plenty drugs wey go make im body strong kakaraka for di comeback show wey im dey prepare for and suppose start after 20 days. We pray say make Baba God rest im soul for yonder. Michael Jackson leave behind 3 pikin. Di first born wey be boy na Prince Jackson. Dem born am for February 13, 1997. Paris Jackson na di second pikin and di only girl wey dem born for April 3, 1998. The last boy wey dey follow im papa bear name, Michael Jackson Jr., was born in February 21, 2002. If una enjoy dis gist, make una subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as
But if they say why